Mete o pezão na água. Olha o Rio Araguaia aí, Keto. Cadê os peixinhos? Tem peixinho não? O que passou, Fernando? What's up? Did you get your tank? It's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, yeah. I think so. It's when you get in, go to your right side. It has a little shed over there, so it's under. No problem. You missed a great party, man. It was nice. There was a lot of people. Yeah, it was nice. Yeah. Oh man. But I have another one next Saturday, so if you're available, stop by. Saturday is a hookah party. Huh? No problem, man. No problem. Anytime. Thank you for your help, man.